Okay.
How long the battery lasted?
Yeah, like a couple hours.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I actually changed it to like lesser quality so that would help the battery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm learning. I don't really know that shit. So
I hear you. Here's what it is. Okay, bro.
Are there benches? Like a pad? Benches? Yeah. That's but there's one near like Mitchell Complex that's turf over and then there's one a little further out. I don't know what town it's in. But it's like two turf fields where the whole plate is together and they both go out. I mean, it has like factories, so there's no reason behind it. It's not far to get let out right.
Hey, here we go. Good luck, guys.
All right, Tom. 75 miles
Back you. Catch it. Some people say people about no, you ain't got it. You can send it by me. Foul! I mean, you can stand up and slam by me.
That's the first time I've heard it. Yeah, I don't know. It's a dead bat for sure.
Rain? Rain?
I know, I do.
All right. 2.
Yeah, big
Hot.
Yeah, big club.
Say you don't rain, don't rain. You can't want to do it. They're like, we told you. That's the only job. You ain't got to be right.
Right, exactly.
And, if I tell you rain and don't rain, what happens? If it rain, we say, well, they said we're going. 2-1. Yeah, that's pretty. That's a good damn job. Huh?
There it is.
Hey, you got him. Tim. Hot. One out.
Not good. I don't know. That's it. No, I'm saying sound.
Sam.
Honestly, it's just been sitting in my trunk, so it should be good.
One out.
Real bad.
Side. 1-2. Here we go, Charlie.
3.
Go. Time. Big game. Everybody all right? Good.
Because it's Lake George right now.
There you go.
Fucking darkness on last week.
Go. 3. Time. Johnny. Just hope we get a shower.
Nick, you want a good kick? You got third.
Yeah, it's done already.
All right, Joe.
Yeah, left foot. Hey, 1 out.
Hold on. You good.
Watch 3.
3.
Go. Time. Whoa. Yo. Come on now. You better than that, kid. You better than that, baby. Come on. Two, 1. You like me, man. I correct you. You like me. I appreciate that. Try 2-2. I correct you. There we go. Come on. Lazy. Go. Time. Angry. That one was more better. 2 out. Well,
That'll be yours, Mango.
2-1, outside.
Close, close. That'll be yours.
There it is, Neil. What you got, 1?
Yeah.
1 in. One in. What's going on, bro? Hey, man. Got me good? I told him something. I said, she's freaking 8 years old. Man, they're 8, you're 8 years old or something. Me and the captain turn around and say, oh, watch your mouth, man. You know? Jesus Christ, man. Come on. Like that's my compliment. You a bee or something. Are you a bee or something? And then you go take me what I do. So you just told me effort, right? Yeah. I didn't mean nothing by it. Did you really? Yeah. You just told me. I don't even remember the time. It's in that language so much. They don't Hey, Bobby, here we go. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Which is ridiculous. I'm gonna leave. It's wild. Somebody in your house. You know what I'm saying? I know in my house. I don't like to say the curse word. Backhand right behind it. With a backhand right behind it. I can guarantee you that, man. Go! I was saying the other day. Time. I was saying the other day, right?
Oh, it's been windy. Oh my God.
I was saying the other day. Gotta be for this morning. They lead off with 30 minutes before they get to the lift. I mean, I'm like, in the morning, you can't read off this stuff. He's let the sun come on. You know what I'm saying? Try 1, 2. Out. 2 out. 2-1. Yo, Brendo! Time! Oh, let's go. We're playing too much. You can't play no more. Hey, you know, I always say, they're like Craig. We all know when we can't play no more. You know what I'm saying? 2-1. You don't take a genius out of it. You figure that out. Genius, I figure that out. Yeah.
Tim. What do you got, buddy?
Hey, like I say, we're playing to hey, so we can't blame them.
Good. Yeah, we're good.
You know what I'm saying? If it passes, it passes. If it don't, you go home. Yeah, just
Stop
hey.
your sentiment.
2-1 inside.
It's heavy rain. It's stopping in 17 minutes. We're good. Nice, John. Drop that, drop.
Easy on the home plate. Easy. Tie. Hey. Why tell people coming home like that? Just ease up. Three, 1. Oh no! Yo, where you at? 5 in. Five. 5-1. 5-1.
Steve, I'll take there. You want me to take the book?
No, it's good now.
Keep going. Hey, lighten up. It's late. Going hard. Go home. Ain't a hard decision to make. I know. Not on Wednesday night softball, it ain't very hard decision to make.
They're just trying to make it like popular.
Hey, you should have kicked that dirt on that. Try to play it off from, right? Good.
Just wanted something to like.
Hey. Here it is. Yeah, actually, you right? Yeah, you right. Hey, we got one. Drive, 1-2.
We okay?
2-2. Full count. Hey, full count, guys. Two out. Hey, that's 2 out. You good, boys? You good? 2 out. Your way, Madasky. 2-1. Heads up, heads up. Woo. Damn, Charlie, didn't you hear heads up? No.